Okay, welcome to my channel. This video, we got some stuff we're going to get rid of. This is what everybody's been waiting for, so let's get the camera turned around and get into it. Alright, we're going to start off with the smaller stuff. Battery hydrometer, battery tester, $10. Stethoscope. Okay, battery went dead. Stethoscope, rubber mallet, the drill. This is a Cornwell drill. I don't know if you can see the brand. But these sizes are 5/32, 7/64, and 3/32, in case you wanted to know. $18, $8. I don't know why that one's $10 more than that one, but whatever. Some Mac long picks. I'm not going to take them out of the case. There's a little package. $25. Here's $12 for a lifter remover. Now what this does is you screw this in and these teeth open up and they grab a lifter. If you got a lifter that's stuck in the engine, in the bore, lifter bore. Works great. I haven't messed with engines, building engines in a while, so I don't need it. A couple speed hammer handles. One's $10, one is, they're both $10 a piece. I ain't gonna keep saying the prices, you can see them. This one is a Craftsman. Not sure what brand this one is, it don't have it on it. It probably done wore off. It might have been a Craftsman, but I'm not gonna swear by it. But this one's 1/2" drive. And this one is 3/8 drive. They're ring installers. You're installing a lot of rings on pistons, you need a set of these. That way you don't scratch the side of the piston putting them on manually. It can be done without them, but that comes in handy. And there's the price. Alright, here's CV boot tools. Oh, and those are clutch alignment tools. This has only been used a couple times. Okay, let me get this stuff moved and get some more stuff over. Be right back. This here is my old tap and die set. There's the price. And you see, this has got, it's not round, so these taps, or these, these dies won't fit in it, and the holder that I had for the dies broke finally. And here's the little thing with the teeth, like I was talking about, was missing out of that set that I got from Justin. Hold on just a second and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just in case people don't know. All the different sizes. It's good to have if you have a bolt that you have no idea what size it is or what thread pitch it is. That'll tell you. Well, it'll tell you the thread pitch, it won't tell you the size. Anyway, I have used the crap out of these over the years, but I don't need them now that I have the other bigger set. Alright, let's set it over to the side. And HVLP paint spray gun. I got this from Amazon. As you can see, it's never been used. It's never even been out of the package that it comes in. I got this because I was going to repaint my bike. Obviously I don't have my bike anymore, so I don't need it. In case you want to see some features of it. This did not come from Harbor Freight, it came from Amazon. Alright, next up, Matco. Air operated vacuum pump. You hook the air to it there and it pulls vacuum here. I've only used it a couple times. I've used it a few times really. But there's the price. Set that to the side. Hold on, sorry. Now this here is an AC sniffer. Let me see if I can get the bag open. Hold on, just bear with me for a second. There it is, and I think this bag is so old it's coming apart. But it's a Mac leak seeker, and there was the price on it. This here the oil injector. I've only used this a couple times. Actually, I've only used this once. It's for injecting oil into an AC system. Everybody that knows anything about ACs knows how to use this. And there's the price. So, there's the price. There's the part number. There it is. You can see right there what it is, cylinder leakage tester. It's got a little regulator on there so you can bump up the air pressure if you need to. This is an awesome little kit. Anyway, well, that won't shut. I guess I'll have to shut that later. This electronic torque wrench. I did a video on this. Y'all can go check that out. I think it only goes to like 44 or 45 foot-pounds. So it's for small stuff. But it's a good one. Okay. I think I'll just set stuff over here and just work my way around. So I think I only got 3 items or 4 items left. This is Blue Point. The sticker fell off, which obviously when I open this you'll see it ain't Blue Point. It's Mighty Vac. But that's who I got it from, the Snap-on. It's Blue Point. All they did was put their sticker on the box. They didn't even put a different book in it. Now I got 2 of these. So I don't know if this one's been used. It actually looks like it's got liquid in the line, so this one may have been used. I've used them, but I don't remember which one I used. Obviously I had one at work, one at home. And now that I'm at home, I don't need both of them, so there you go. But neither one of them's been used very much because I got an air operated one now. And there's the price. This here, $100. Brand new Never even taken them out of the package, never even unrolled the hoses. It's an AC manifold gauge set. I was planning on doing some side work at the house, and health kind of went sideways, and here we are. So that's why I'm selling some of this stuff that I don't need and not going to use. Alright, next up is, I don't know if anybody's ever heard of that, Lee Tools Auto Body Fender Set, 7-piece. Now, this is old. This is at least from the 90s. There's the price. I think you can get a set from Harbor Freight, and I think this was equivalent to their set, but it's half the price, obviously. Now, bad thing is, I haven't opened this in so long, they kind of rusty. But that's just surface rust, you can take that out. I mean, it's not like this is supposed to be a machine surface for a reason. You know, it's not, all you gotta do is hit that with some sandpaper or put something on there to take the rust off, and you'll be good to go. So you got 3 hammers. And then these 4 pieces here. I've used this, but like I said, in the 90s. As you can see, it's freaking old. But it's still good. You can still use this stuff. All you gotta do is remove the rust. Put it on a belt sander or a buffer or whatever. Anyway, I'm not going to be doing any body work, so here it is for sale. Now this here is Stillman. Got it from Matco, 75 bucks. This is chassis ear. It's not the cordless, it is the wired. But it works great. I've used it several times, even though it don't really look like it, but I have. There's all the attachments and everything. Let me see if I can show you all of these. The headphones are right here with the cord. You can see the cord. And here's the unit. You hook all that stuff to. Right there. And you see it's Stillman, 6-channel. It's for chasing down noises. All you got to do is clip them things, them clips. Where'd that paper go? Clip these clips to certain suspension parts or whatever you want to listen for or listen to. And there you go. You'll be able to pinpoint it. And that switch in there, oh crap, see that switch? You can switch from all the different channels depending on which one of them clips and clamps you hook to where. You just switch to each one until you find the one that's making noise, and that's where your noise is coming from. Of course, obviously, hopefully everybody knows how to use this. Anyway, I think that's about the end of it. So let me get the camera turned back around. Okay, like I said, that's the end of it. Now, if you want to get any of those tools, you can get one tool, multiple tools, or you can get all of them. If you want to get all of them, it's $924. I've already added it all up. Or you could buy separately at whatever. And some of the bigger stuff, I don't know, I may need some help with shipping, but we'll see. Now, these prices, you may go, well, wow, that's kind of high, but no. These prices are half price of buying them new. I feel like half price is a very good deal. So if anybody is interested in buying any of this stuff, just let me know. Or if you have something that you want to trade, I could be interested in trading too. As you know, I did a trade with Justin Dow. His videos seem to go over pretty good on trying to get rid of stuff, so I figured I'd do one. Anyway, you can contact me through my emails on my About page or through Instagram. That's all I got for this one. Told you it was going to be a good one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.